Hello, my name is Ashani Johnson-Turbes, and I'm from the Public Health Division in HESP. And today I am going to talk about the Healthy Brain Initiative, or evaluation of the Healthy Brain Initiative. The HBI, as we refer to it, was the first community-level, culturally relevant demonstration project funded by the Alzheimer's Association to increase knowledge, awareness, and behavioral intentions to engage in health protective behaviors among African American baby boomers. The evaluation of the Healthy Brain Initiative sought to assess fidelity to the implementation of the actual initiative, as well as its ability to achieve expected outcomes around an increase in knowledge and awareness around the healthy brain, as well as I mentioned, intentions to engage in health protective behaviors. The Healthy Brain Initiative evaluation really succeeded in being a very culturally responsive evaluation. And culturally responsive evaluation is really evaluation practice that recognizes culture and ethnicity and puts it at the center of evaluation practice and research practice. And that is what we endeavor to do throughout the course of evaluating the Healthy Brain Initiative. Some strategies that are key to implementing culturally responsive evaluation, or CRE, are specifying one's target audience early on in development of a program or intervention or campaign, as well as establishing sort of a cultural framework for one's evaluation, really endeavoring to understand the subcultures, the target audience, the dialect of the target audience, also power dynamics within that community as well, and working really hard to engage your stakeholders, any strategic partners in the community, and engaging the target audience itself early on and throughout the process. One of the ways that our evaluation team determined was the best way to implement a culturally responsive evaluation was to focus on using qualitative methods to really obtain an in-depth understanding of our target audience and to include them throughout the entire process of the evaluation, from the formative stage all the way through process and outcome evaluation. Two of the main things that we did to make this happen is we conducted a series of interviews with local chapters that were implementing the HBI, as well as a series of strategic partners, actually 30 strategic partners in one site, which was Atlanta, and 14 strategic partners in our second site in Los Angeles, California. We also conducted a series of focus groups with what we called healthy brain champions, and these were the people that had participated in the actual workshop to increase their knowledge, awareness of the healthy brain, and hopefully increase their intentions or improve their intentions to engage in health protective behaviors. So we collected a vast amount of data via the interviews as well as the focus groups, and we conducted interviews with strategic partners and local coordinators implementing the HBI pre, during, and post implementation of the intervention itself, and we conducted focus groups with our Healthy Brain Champions before and post implementation of the intervention as well. We audio taped and transcribed all of the interviews as well as the focus groups. During the course of the analysis, one of the things that our team did that was particularly important is we looked at the data in order to assess different comparisons or to compare the data across different sites. So looking at differences in terms of implementation and findings related to the outcomes in Atlanta and Los Angeles. So that was really important in the course of conducting our analysis of the qualitative data, as well as looking at differences, patterns, themes, and making comparisons among different audiences. So did the individuals who were Healthy Brain Champions, did they have an experience in participating in the HBI that was different than the people who were coordinating it, or different than strategic partners who were involved that also played a role as Healthy Brain Champions? So that was really critical to our analysis, was being able to make those sort of comparisons between the sites and between the different audiences as well. In terms of the evaluation team, what we learned is the value of looking at culture and looking at cultural norms and having culturally responsive evaluation be an evaluation framework that really framed what we did and how we did it. As I mentioned from the very beginning, we specified our target audience of African American baby boomers very early in the process. We stayed very true to that throughout. And I think what was particularly key to the success of implementing it and evaluating it was engaging the community in all of those steps throughout. And that is really the heartbeat of and key to conducting a successful culturally responsive evaluation is engaging the community and engaging stakeholders. Thank you for listening. For more information about the Healthy Brain Initiative evaluation, you can reach me, Ashani Johnson-Turbes, at 404-321-3211 or at a.johnson-turbes@icfi.com.